Alright guys, so this is day 3 of the build here, and here's our stack of lumber that we've got milled up from our sawmill, and just finished the 3rd section yesterday. And so these are 6x6 posts and headers, and I've just got lap joints for each of the header sections, and just finished putting the screws in this one this morning, and we are ready to set our next section down here and keep moving forward. So there's our mill that we're milling everything up on right now. It is a Wood-Mizer mill, the LT15 wide, and it's doing a good job at milling up our material. And got a bunch of slabs over there. Still got to build our little shed to store all of our slabs. We even got some firewood bucked up from all of our bark cuts that we're taking off our logs. Got us a nice little stockpile of logs over here, mostly pine. We're building all this out of pine because that's what we have on our land here. We've got roughly 4 acres of pine, and so we've got a whole bunch of stuff here ready to mill up. We also have some maple on the property and a little bit of cedar, and so we'll be cutting this stuff up for some furniture projects. But yeah, the build is going good, and I should be completed with these next 2 sections by the end of the day. Making all my notch cuts on the mill, and so it's going pretty good. It's fitting together really good. Our land slopes downhill just a little bit, so all the post heights are different. We don't have a transit, so we set up a laser level and just measured the difference from each one of the bases to the laser level line, and we're staying nice and true. Put the level on top and it reads level, so it's going pretty good. So I'm going to get back at it, and I'll update you guys later. Peace.